So guys, everybody's talking about Google released Gemini, and if you don't know what it is, let me explain you everything in this single video. So Gemini is a multimodality framework which is the next level to ChatGPT as far as they claim it. Okay, you can see Gemini is built from ground up for multimodality, reasoning seamlessly across text, images, video, audio, and the code. So the thing multimodality here is that you can give input as text, as images, as videos, as code, or even you can say something with your voice also. And you can see here, meet the first version of Gemini or most capable AI model. So they show here how capable it is. You can see the evaluation here. So this is the scores for ChatGPT 86.4%, and this is for Gemini Ultra. I will tell you a little bit more in detail after that what is Gemini Ultra, because they launch in 3 versions: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Nano. And there's a lot of debate going on right now because how they are calculating these scores, because here you can see this is the input given, which is 5 shot reported input, and here it is COT32. So this different input, and based on different input they're comparing the results. They're saying it is much better than GPT-4. In coming days, it's going to be clear that whether it is really better than GPT-4 or not, because they're claiming a lot of things and a lot of people talk about the video they launched about it. We're going to watch that video a little bit later in the video, that it is kind of fabricated, it is not completely true. Okay, so here you can see here Gemini comes in 3 versions: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. So according to Google, Nano gonna be released in on devices, for example in mobile phones, and can do a lot of stuff. However, I found a real interesting blog, and all the information until now I received, it is not so much interesting what capabilities you're getting in Nano. Then gonna be Pro version, which is the best model for scaling across wide range of tasks, and then gonna be Ultra, which is the most capable version. But this version gonna come to server level. I'm not sure how much useful it's gonna be for us normal users. For most of us, we're gonna use this Nano version, which will be in mobile phones. We'll talk about it, that how we can use this in mobile devices. And then you can say their multimodality, anything to anything. You can say Gemini can reason visually across languages. So they say to Gemini, could Gemini explain what this means? And they give it like a music note, and Gemini explain. And then Gemini can generate code based on different inputs. So could Gemini make demo based on this video? And then you can see the code is created based on this video. And next here you can see there's an image shown to Gemini and ask, could Gemini show me ideas what to make? And Gemini gave an idea that what you can make. You can make an octopus with blue and pink tentacles. So this is something what Gemini can do. We don't know how we provide the input, and will it be available to all the users, or will it be available only for Pro and Ultra versions. But yes, they're going to release it today, 13th of December. I tested right now. I'm in France. We don't have access of it yet, but yes, it's gonna come. So guys, make sure like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna make more videos about Gemini, so you stay updated on this new topic. Let's see a small official video from Gemini. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a
And here's another example of what Gemini can do.
Okay, based on what you see, come up with a game idea. Oh, and use emojis, please.
How about this? We can play a game called Guess the Country.
Sure, let's do it.
Clue 1. This country is the home of the kangaroo, the koala, and the Great Barrier Reef.
Oh, that's easy.
Clue 2. This country loves football and has won the most men's World Cups in football history.
So this is like really interesting, that how they provide this kind of input. What they're using a laptop to film from their Pixel device, and that's why Gemini is getting all the video feed, or they recorded a video and then they provided the video to Gemini. But in this video you can see they're talking in real time. The guy is talking real time with Gemini, and Gemini is creating the games and doing different tasks. So guys, this was a video from Google. This is the official trailer what Gemini can do. There's a big controversy. A lot of people are talking this is a fabricated video. There's not complete truth in this video. But yes, it's going to be very soon very clear that how much capable this Gemini framework is really. And you can see here the official website, they have the potential Gemini. They give different example how you can use Gemini, for example, programming or unlocking the scientific literature. For example, a lot of scientific papers or research papers, you can find the text, you can get the references from these papers. I'll add a link to interesting videos you can watch what Gemini can do. Then they make example like this. And in the end, they say bringing Gemini Pro to the Bard. So you can go to Bard. So Bard is like ChatGPT, like text-based chat solution powered by AI. So you can see I asked Bard what language model do you use, and it says I'm currently powered by a language model called Gemini. So if you want to get access of Gemini, It's gonna be released official tomorrow, like 13th of December US time. But by any case, if you don't get access of it, you can use Opera browser, use the VPN, and then choose America from here, and then you can use Gemini using Bard. So this was a quick update on Gemini. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on all Gemini related news. All of this sounds really interesting. I hope all these things they claim should be true. Stay tuned for more updates on Gemini.